Hello guys! Hello everyone and everybody! It's me again! I'm here guys at this moment. Guys! Oh, di ba? Parang saan lang tayo sa bukid? Oh! Yan, may papaya dito guys. Very unique. Kasi may ano guys. Saan kayo makakita ng papaya guys with kumot? With over the cover. Ayan, that's very cute. So I'm here at this moment. Langan damin koy. So dito ako guys, chill time. Mamahalin. Hello, meron din sila dyan, playing time, no? So thank you so much. Nagpasyal-pasyal ako dito, no? Nagpahangin muna ako dito sa labas, guys. As you can see, guys, ang kapal na naman ng mga ano dito sa harapan ko, guys. Nakita nyo, guys? Ayun. Meron dito, guys, ang taba ng ano, gulay, guys. Kilala nyo ba to, guys? Alam nyo ba to, guys, oh? Saluyot, guys. Napakataba. Ayan, oh. O, diba? Oh, very, ano, guys, sarap nito sa sabaw, guys. Ayan. Diba? Very nice view. So, pahangin muna tayo dito sa labas, guys. Kasi, palagi lang ako doon sa loob. Parang hindi talaga ako sanay na hindi makalabas, guys. I need to chill out over here with refreshing air. Need to, ano guys, maglanghat tayo ng, ano, fresh air. Ayan, as you can see, guys. So, medyo tuyo yung daan namin, no? Hindi siya putik. Kasi, hindi ata umulan today. So, we don't have a rain today, guys. Kaya, let's have, ano, partial time muna tayo dito. At this moment. Ayan, as you can see my background. Hello, everyone. So, dito tayo ngayon, guys. May update. Ayan. Halina kayo dito. It's time for refreshing muna, guys, in a while. See you lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching.